Hello once again, everyone, and it is Wednesday morning. I've got an update for you on our snow and mixed precipitation and rain that's coming our way late today and into tonight this morning. So let's talk about the setup. First of all, high pressure is overhead, and that allowed the sky to clear some last night, allowing temperatures to drop down into the mid 20s. This high will retreat to the east today, and clouds will increase once again as we head towards midday and afternoon. Here's our storm system down here, low pressure taking shape across parts of northeast Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. That's going to start dragging a warm front northward today, and that will be the impetus behind our snow that will get underway this evening. First things first, though, we can see a little sun today before those clouds thicken up. You can see there's some holes in the overcast this morning, so some welcomed filtered sunshine for a little while before those clouds increase later on today. All right, simulated radar for today. Now, if you're out and about today, if you're going to work, to school, if you're running some errands today, no problems through the daylight hours. It's this evening that the snow gets underway. I've stopped the simulated radar here at 5 p.m. Some light snow breaking out at about 5 to 6 p.m. in areas mostly south of 224, but during the 5 and 6 o'clock hours, that snow will fairly quickly move northward, so it should be snowing everywhere by 7 o'clock this evening. Now, initially, the snow may come down at a pretty good clip. We might have some low visibilities and some fairly quick accumulations, especially on those non-paved surfaces and on side streets and less traveled roads. Air temperatures and road temperatures will be fairly warm this afternoon. We'll get up to about 40. Surfaces will still be fairly warm when the snow is falling this evening. So even though it may come down really hard for an hour or two in a lot of places, it may have a hard time sticking on the main roads, which will still be running a little bit warm. But watch out for the reduced visibilities. Now, pure snow without any mixing is not going to last that long, especially in our southern viewing area. Already by 8 to 9 o'clock, I think we're starting to see some sleet mixing in from about Lisbon on south. And that chance for sleet, a sleet-snow mix, eventually a sleet-rain mix, and eventually just plain old rain, that'll continue moving north throughout the evening, so that by 11 o'clock to midnight, not only is the steady snow probably gone, it's probably raining in a lot of places and probably some sleet mixed in as well. Now, temperatures will be right around the freezing mark, so technically some of this might be freezing rain, but I think this will be the kind of freezing rain that will have a hard time causing much accretion on objects. Maybe some colder objects such as your windshield, metal railings, things like that. There might be just a little bit of a glaze, but I'm not expecting big problems with freezing rain around here. As we go deeper into the night, dry slot works in, and while there might be some patches of drizzle, technically freezing drizzle in some spots if it's 31 or 32, I don't think there'll be a lot of impactful weather for Thursday morning's commute. The accumulating snow will be long gone, and everything will just be kind of damp, and so I'm not anticipating a lot of problems on the roads for Thursday morning. It might be a flurry or two, and then later in the day, Thursday, as our Arctic front moves in, there might be a quick resurgence of snow showers right around dinner time Thursday evening. Don't think that'll be much, but it'll be a possibility that we get a small accumulation of snow again late in the day on Thursday. Here's another one of our high-res simulated radars. Similar idea here. This is 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Already by mid-evening, we're starting that mixed precipitation south of 224, and that threat or that chance of mixed precipitation replacing the snow will continue moving north as we go into the mid to late evening, and eventually a dry slot works in. Here's a look at the current model spread for snow totals. I'll get out of the way here. Get out of the way like that. There we go. Most of this, of course, occurring right in this box through here Wednesday night. And as you can see, not much has changed from our forecast last night. Our current model spread is between 1 and 3 inches. Now, this is for the Youngstown Warren Airport. This will be fairly representative of kind of the heart of our viewing area. I do think that you'll be towards the lower end of this range in the far southern part of our viewing area, down towards East Liverpool, down towards Calcutta, Glenmore, Salineville. Down in this zone, I doubt too many places are going to get 3 inches down here. An inch to maybe 2 should be about the top end of things down here because of the rapid onset of the mixed precipitation. But in our kind of light blue here in the heart of our area, 1, 2, 3 inches. Some places will be closer to the 3 than the 1. That being said, we give these ranges for a reason, so don't automatically think that you're getting 3 because you see 3 on the map. It's a range, 1 to 3. Some places closer to the 1, some places closer to the 3. If anybody gets more than 3, your most likely candidates are going to be right in here. because the mixing takes a little longer to occur up here. So Mesopotamia, maybe as far south as Newton Falls, maybe as far south as Champion, maybe as far south as Cortland, maybe, but especially north of Cortland up towards Kinsman and over towards Greenville. Those are the areas that will take the longest to see the mixed precipitation set in, and therefore you might see a little more than 3 up there. I could see where some places try to get 4 inches or so in the northern part of Trumbull County and maybe the northern and western part of Mercer County as well. So, of course, a lot of questions about, hey, are we going to have a snow day on Thursday? That is not my area of expertise. That'll, of course, be up to your school districts. Right now, I don't think there'll be much impactful weather for Thursday morning's commute. So that's my opinion on the weather. If you want my opinion on school adjustments, I'm not going to have one necessarily. I can just tell you that what the forecast is for rapidly improving conditions overnight and probably minimal problems on the roads for daybreak on Thursday. I'll, of course, have more updates throughout the day on social media and on 21 News at 6 and 11 this evening, as well as the Valley's most in-depth weather forecast video, Weather for Weather Geeks. We might do a live edition of Weather Geeks this evening. In the meantime, make it a great Wednesday, everyone.